Hi, beautiful fans. It's another beautiful evening here. Let me quickly show you one important guide. Will I call it a hack? Okay, whatever, however you know it, but it's very important. So, in this short tutorial, I want to show you how to get the password of the Wi-Fi you are currently connected to. Okay, I mean you are currently connected to. You must be connected to that Wi-Fi before you hack the password. Okay, so I'm not saying how to crack a password of unconnected Wi-Fi. So if you're already connected to the Wi-Fi, you may be asking, is there need of fighting to know the password again when I'm already connected? Yeah, it's very, very important and relevant because there's some reason why you need to know the password yourself. Okay, one, most people, if you say, tell me the password of your device, let me do something, they don't give you the password. They will say, bring your device, let me connect it for you. The reason why is that they don't want you to have unauthorized access to the Wi-Fi device by yourself whenever you like. So they may connect you one time, they'll give you one time access. So when you are out of the connection, when you get disconnected, you will not be able to connect next time. And then most organization policies won't allow you to know the password yourself. So the IT personnel, the network admin will connect the device by themselves, so you will not have access to the password, and then you can't connect by yourself, and you can't connect other devices like your phone. So maybe they'll only connect your approved work laptop or desktop, and then you're not allowed to connect your phone to it. So those are the kind of scenarios why you want to learn how to know, you will want to know the password by yourself. Sometimes you can connect any device of your choice by yourself. Okay, so first of all, just as I said earlier, you must be connected to that device, to that Wi-Fi. So for example, I go to this network. So I'm currently connected to my personal hotspot using my phone. This is my SSID, okay, POJ. So I name my phone hotspot as POJ. Okay, so let me go back to it again so that you know how to enter. Okay, I'm using Windows 11 to be precise, so I don't know if it will work the same way with Windows 10 and other stuff, other Windows. So go to the network, click on it, click on this arrow to bring the list of available SSID. Okay, so this is the one I'm currently connected to, which is my phone hotspot POJ. So it works with every other kind of Wi-Fi. I tested it with company's Wi-Fi, it worked the same. So you can click on this section, this round side, which is written properties, or you can right click on any part of the name. Then you can access the properties again. Click on the properties. Okay, so there are two ways you can access the password. So the first method is to just scroll up like this. That's come up at the top, you see show password, show Wi-Fi network password. Okay, so this is the password I use. So even though assuming it was another person's phone that I connected to like this, and he refused to tell me the password, I can copy this password and then get access to that hotspot at any time he turn it on. Okay, so close it. The other method is to scroll down, and then go to edit, advanced Wi-Fi network properties. Okay, click on edit, then go to security at the top. Okay, so show characters, click on it, and you can see this is the password. All right. Okay, so just as I said, it's important when they decided to enter the password for you rather than telling you the password. Okay, so that's how to view the password of the Wi-Fi you are currently connected to. Alright, so that's end of this short tutorial. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I promise, I will always be bringing important tutorials to be posting at regular basis. So if you see it's useful, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a beautiful day.